Hi, this is Ken Boyd, and I'm hosting Staffing Firm Budgeting and Forecasting Concepts. And I'm hosting this on Tuesday, March 12th from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. This is a continuation of one of three courses that I've done on accounting and financial results for staffing firms. And in this one, we're going to cover sort of the end of the process of accounting, creating financial statements, and now budgeting and forecasting. So, first topic, the benefits of creating a budget and hopefully creating a budget before the end of the year. Before the end of the year, before you start your new year, let's have everything in place in terms of costs, revenue, sales projections, number of people that you need, etc. To the best of your ability, try to have that information ready at the beginning of the new year. So we're going to cover how to create a budget and why it's important. The second topic is how to price your product. The one problem I see over and over in business is that companies don't price their product high enough to make a reasonable profit. So we're going to cover gross margin, net income, profit margin. How do you use all of that information to plan for a proper level of profit, a reasonable level of profit? Finally, we're going to talk about cash. And in many cases, particularly in the staffing business, cash can be more important than profit. We're going to go through an actual example where we talk about cash inflows and outflows for a staffing company who then gets a new client that requires a lot of cash outgoing, a lot of cash spending to get staff people in the client. And there's a lag time between the time you get people into the client and you have to pay money for payroll and the time that you get paid. And in this industry, you all deal with this all the time. We're going to go through those actual numbers and how you can plan for that, find out how much cash you need, where do I get the cash, and how do I calculate whether this whole transaction is profitable or not. So we're going to put together both profitability and cash flow. Super important for people in this industry. So I hope you'll join us again Tuesday, March 12th, 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Ken Boyd, and the course is Staffing Firms for Budgeting and Financial Purposes. Thanks. I hope to see you there.